There are two major mentalities about wealth. At yun ay tawagin natin na mayaman and mahirap mentalities. At ang pag-uusapan natin ay hindi mayaman at mahirap na tao, kundi mayaman at mahirap na pag-iisip. So check your mentality kung pang mayaman o pang mahirap. Mahirap mentality says, money is the root of all evil. Minamasama ng mahirap mentality ang pera. To the mahirap mentality, wealth is bad. Meanwhile, the mayaman mentality says, money is the root of much good. In fact, money is tool for much good. So sa mayaman mentality, wealth is good. Proverbs 10:15, great wealth can be a fortress, but poverty is no protection at all. Ang may kayamanan ay nakasandal sa pader. Ang walang kayamanan, ang nagdarahop ay hubad at masyadong vulnerable. Proverbs 21:20, wise people live in wealth and luxury, but stupid people spend their money as fast as they get it. So ang matatalinong tao, napapahaba nila ang kanilang kariwasaan. Yun daw mga taong mangmang, sasandali lang, one day millionaire, tapos mahirap na uli. Sa mahirap mentality, rich people are just lucky or blessed. In other words, sinuwerte lang yan, hindi niya accomplishment yan. Binuenas lang yan, pinagpala lang yan ng Diyos. So wala siyang dapat na i-claim na responsibility for becoming rich. At sa ganyang mahirap mentality, mahirap people are just malas. Mahirap ako kasi malas lang ako. Kasi yun ang aking kapalaran, yun ang nakatakda sa akin. In other words, hindi ko kasalanan na mahirap ako. Inassign ako dito ng Diyos.